All right. So some of the compliances, even though regulation has passed, there are still amendments or a couple of amendments which are currently actually just recently got updated, or are still being proposed, waiting for approval. So under the original regulation, we could not install or sell 410A equipment on the firmly residential system as of January 1st, 2025.
Right.
However,
Yeah.
yeah, under the updated regulations, we are now allowed to sell and install the systems in residential applications through December 31, 2025. So gives our installers a little bit of like time period to transition to the new refrigerant. Also, under the current regulation, we can manufacture, import, sell, install the products for services or repair indefinitely. The proposed change requests that regulation bans the manufacture or import of R410A condensing units, including service and repair as of January 1st, 2025. The HVAC industry will likely ask the EPA to initiate and finalize rulemaking with industry proposed changes.
Yep, absolutely. Yeah, so we intend to see something on that here in the near future, but we want people to understand what this really means. It means that as far as new equipment, we're probably not going to see any, we're not going to see any manufactured equipment after December 31st of this year. So what is being manufactured of 410 right now is going to be the last generation of R410A systems. There will still be some individual components for serviceability going forward, but those new systems will not be manufactured. So the only R410A systems that will be around will be that sell-through in that little 12-month window. So
That
our
is correct.
410A is just going to be going away in a hurry. And I think most of the industry is unaware of that. And that's the important part of doing this with our manufacturers. Because a lot of people go, oh, I heard from this place that it's going to happen. I heard from this place that it's not going to happen. We actually have manufacturers that are sitting here trying to clarify it for everyone, going, well, whatever you've heard, this is what you're actually going to see. So thank you so much for this.